Let's work. Let's work. If we're gonna pay attention to news from specific channel, it's gonna say some contradiction, but based on what's happening, man, I'm telling you for a fact there is official ceasefire that's happening right now. And that's good news for the entire world. That's what exactly they want. The push to end the war permanently. But people are worried. What if that's a big? Telegram's still loading. I'll show it later. However, let's go. We're seeing a behavior right now. This is what's happening. As for the first batch, we can see that's a US 10Y. And we can see that US 10Y this morning when it opened a New York session, it went high to around 4.36, almost 4.37, around there. Until it got weaker, dollar got weaker, that gotta be a hint for something. So therefore, at around 6, when the news comes out, Trump announcing, boom, it actually happened. Iran, Trump, both agreed to ceasefire. After that, what happened to the market? Boom! We got some good news. We got some good news. Let's go. That's what the retail traders are probably thinking because they're chasing the noise. They're thinking the good's happening, the bad are over, the higher high, but are they chasing the move? If you're chasing the move, you don't know what you're doing. You're gambling. True bitch trader, nah. Tap in the community, the link below. I hope you, bro. You gotta understand the chart and what's happening and use that to your opportunity because that becomes your edge. The ability to read the market and let that become your opportunity every single time. Bro, let's go. Interest rates drop. The Fed, not interest, the Fed rate came down. Dollar came down. It got weaker. It's around $99. Oh, wait, never mind. For Tokyo sessions, I missed it. After almost about a week, US 10Y actually came down today to 4.26 since Tokyo opened after the news comes out. As for dollar, it's finally around 98, but it's high 98. It's still close to 99. But since both of them are dropping, that's good news for the economy because the world wants to see the ceasefire. Look at the assets. Gold is showing some risk. If it's going up, what do you think that means? What do you think that means? Comment on YouTube. What do you think that means if assets are going up? That is correct. At the same time, dollar and the federal rate coming down could also be the cause for the asset to behave differently. If the Fed rate goes down and dollar goes down, we see the economy for the assets improving, everything pulling up. This is related to risk, bro. It's a risk. De-risking, so avoiding the risk, or the chasing the risk. What do you think? If money for the assets are flowing in and going up, that means they're chasing the risk. They're taking the risk, pumping the money into assets. As for the first question, assets for a cheaper price so everyone buys them? Correct. Correct. But here's the thing. Smart money buys them. To think like smart money, you should tap in the community because we show you how to think like smart money with a structured plan. They're chasing the risk. Assets are chasing the risk. That's why everything's pumping. Because of what's happening. The ceasefires are good news. Hooray for the smart money positioning themselves. Yeah, it's positioning. It's positioning pretty much. They can also see a big drop on oil. But the question is, will it keep dropping or it's gonna hold, pump, then just keep going higher? It's a ceasefire for 2 weeks, so we have our information right there. Staying updated and being aware of what's going on with the market can help you be ready for the opportunity because knowing specific pair, this and that will help you know how the assets are most likely going to perform, such as Bitcoin, gold, stocks, whatever that you're trading. It's important to know what's going on. If you don't know what's going on, man, how does that make you a true big trader? To be a true big trader, you got to know what's going on, right? You don't know what's going on, bro. Study. Get to studying. Oil really shifted narrative to bearish. Like the bearish completely, the selling completely took over the momentum. We see a bit of rejection happening right now with oil tapping into a good supply of demand. Pretty much. If this is hard to see, I'm gonna change my chart for you guys. Okay. You can see it right here. Interest rates just keep dropping. The Fed rate just keep dropping. That's good news. It means everything gets cheaper. Cheaper to borrow money for small money. Dollar drop, like I said, dollar drop, and it's holding around there. It's not going anywhere right now. Saturn completely took over the oil. It dropped from this morning $117 per barrel, dropped all the way down to $92 per barrel. Now it's around just 95, 96, holding around there. Gold literally is up 2.5%. The question is, will it continue for the higher high? That's potential move. Potential move. Depends on what's actually going to happen for the next 2 weeks. SPY is showing some good risk appetite as well. You can see the pull up. Cowabunga, you see it? So I'm live right now on YouTube. What's up? Yeah, let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Yeah, let's go. I'm proud. I'm proud. I'm proud. Uncle Tay is proud. You look confused. Okay. Okay. Quick call with my auntie. She wanted to let me know that my nephew, who's still 2, almost 3 soon, I think. But he's able to say, Uncle Tay. Yeah, let's go. I'm the favorite. Let's get back to the point. You can see it all week. Last week, the war has been putting everyone on the miss, but escalating, blah, 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 blah. The conflicts, the contradictions, all that. Trump going a little bit crazy and out of control with the speeches, blah, 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 blah. Not everything's getting back on point. You can see it's almost like Trump's speech does affect the market. What if he's actually trying to manipulate it? That's a question. Who knows? But what's most important is you got to know the news is just an excuse. It's about where money is. The ability to read liquidity. I help everyone with that. You want to read liquidity? Tap in the community. We show you how to do that. Bro, Right when New York session opened this morning, people thought it was going to drop, right? Yeah, people thought it was going to drop, right? But if you are looking at the lower time frame, were you actually looking at the structures properly? Because if not, I swear you're gambling. That's why you're having mixed emotions. If you lost today, bro, you gotta study. Get your back testing. Man, that includes professionals too. Professional traders have this routine. Even if they're winning in life, they're humble. Why? The market always humbles us. Bro, you should be trading. Since Tokyo's open, the gold hasn't really moved anywhere. Been staying in the same spot, assuming the supply stopped the demand from moving. Now it's having a bit of tug of war in a long time frame to see where the price wants to go for money. Liquidity! Let's go! So therefore, what's happening? What could happen? This is what could happen. Let's see how it plays out, because we're not supposed to be predicting here. Only seeing the setup for opportunity to take it. Because if you have the ability to read a candle, the chart, and the emotion of what's happening with the market, you'll use that to your opportunity. If you don't, you need a structural plan. Tap in the community, book a call, book a strategy call. The link's literally below. I'll help you. I'll show you how it's done. In 30 days, I swear, you'll understand how the market communicates. Bro, it's human. I'm saying that because it's reflected off humans' emotions. You can see it. You can feel it. And you can detach from it and use that to your advantage. Bro, you be winning every day because you use your skill to make the money work for you. It's not about money. It's about seeing the money as a tool, as leverage, as opportunity if you understand it. Boom. You're naturally letting the money flow to you just because. Right? You got that skill just because. Yeah. You gotta be showing up, make the skill, make the money work for you. Bro, if you want that, you book a call. Book a strategy call. I got you. They got you. SP 500 is having the same reaction as gold. Dollars holding around the same spot. I would say the same for interest rates as well, federal federal rates. I keep saying interest is Fed rates. It's two separate things. I bet I made a mistake with that. Anyway, Fed rates. It's holding around the same place. People are having a bit of uncertainty if the market's actually improving and if the world's actually having a ceasefire guarantee. Okay, confidence is coming in the market. Boom, 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 boom. Until something happens. We'll see. So we got to see the behavior of right now. What the candlestick is trying to tell us? What is it trying to tell us? You have a bit of support right there. Ooh. Go has better setup right now. If the market decides to reverse on me, it's guaranteed. It's bearish. Probably trying to fill in the gap for the imbalance there and there. Two different plays. We're seeing if gold is going to respect the bullish momentum and continue for the higher highs, sweeping the liquidity at the top. My take profit is literally right above it. Okay, let's go. Who has experience trading? Let's go. Anybody have questions? Who has experience trading? I have questions for you guys. Have you guys stared at the chart and be like, what am I looking at? What do the candlestick, what does it mean? What am I supposed to do? Do I just buy at the low? Do I just buy at the low? Are you paying attention to the news because you think you need it so you're not falling behind? Bro, sometimes you decide to take a risk to trade, but you even know what's actually happening. You don't have a structured plan. You struggle on analyzing the chart. Bro, I'ma tell you why. Basic knowledge are not applied. Consistency is the key. With the right accountability, basic knowledge is not applied. Meaning, how are you going to read the chart? What the candlestick is trying to tell you? versus not trying to tell you. Market behavior. What is it trying to say for how the money wants to behave? If you can answer those questions, you have the ability to read the market. Period. Hell no, that sucks. I'm right. Now, I'm just hyped. I'm back. I'm excited. I'm here with you guys. Let's get it. Staying detached from a process, we potentially have price. We potentially have price gonna pull back unless if this is faster demand from imbalance right there. We'll see what happens. After that, journal, boom. I'm posting results in the community. If you want the skill and ability to understand the chart and read what's happening, tap in. I help you. Losing is a win. You know why? I am a student following Jesus' footsteps. So I'm going to learn the why and understand the way. I'm going to take data and I'm going to use that to tell me why did I lose so I get closer to winning and prevent the same mistaken reasons happen again. Boom. That's how professional trading is done. That's how making money work for you based on a system and skill is done. You need a structured plan. To get that, you need a knowledge. To get that, that's in the community with the right place and right mentor. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, it's close to my stop loss. It was staying detached here. Price didn't made a change of character. Closing below 0.618 with strong high volume going down. It could be a retest. So I took the opportunity anyway because I see the system. Let's go.
Bye.
Okay. Let's see how it goes tonight. Let's go. I'll be posting my result. I'll see you guys later. Tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. Let's show up. Let's win. Let's seize opportunity. With true big strategy, you guys will witness emotion and action. Live. Real time. Together. Bro, you're not alone. We together. Yeah. Okay. Peace out. I'm gonna see you guys later. Hold up. It's still loading. Oh, we got a news talking about Iran, another country, to charge fees passing through the Strait of Hormuz. Israeli military says they're still attacking Iran. There's having a bit of mixed emotion that's going on in the market right now, and people are just not sure. Still haven't hit my stop loss, but it's close. After a loss, it's close to a win. Remove your emotion. You executed the system, that's all that matters. Okay. Now I'll be going. I'll see you guys later. Let's tap in tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock. Let's make opportunities happen. Let's get it.